Hi, this is David Nowicki and I'm here in Paris, France. I'm doing a curated spot check. This is where we take our local team and we do market research together with venue owners looking at their Wi-Fi offerings, as well as technical research to look at how we can optimize our algorithms and curate them for the local environment. Now, Paris from a Wi-Fi perspective did not disappoint. In fact, it offered something very sophisticated yet structured. The structure comes from the telecom providers like Orange, SFR, Bouygues Telecom, as well as Free that offer Wi-Fi together in a mobile service offering. Now, the city of Paris is also in the game and has deployed Wi-Fi throughout the city in places like museums and squares and libraries and botanical gardens, even this grassy area here in front of the Eiffel Tower. A lot of people here are taking pictures of the tower and they want to send this back to family and friends, and they can now do so in a convenient fashion over Wi-Fi, and an even more convenient fashion using a curated version of us where we actually can help them to get automatically connected. Now, we went indoors as well looking at cafes, restaurants, bars and the like, and we found a lot of Wi-Fi there, as you would expect. It's a very diverse set of Wi-Fi, and there's a bunch of third-party providers that are trying to make it easier. Some are still using passwords, but one in particular, Adele, is really leading the charge with open, no password, just a click-through portal. This is actually attracting a lot of new business and helping them be much more competitive and get ahead of all the others. So they've been able to attract places as diverse as Subway sandwiches to a lot of the local cafes that are just across the river here with great views of the Eiffel Tower. Those are all Adele brands and moving forward. Now, the Champs-Élysées was also a place where we saw a lot of Wi-Fi. It wasn't quite as pervasive as we saw in London on the Oxford Street, but in fact important nonetheless. Shopping really was a common theme for Wi-Fi here in Paris, and that was really where you saw the majority of the trendsetters. The Galeries Lafayette had an amazing Wi-Fi experience, as well as just an amazing structure in general, and a number of the other shopping centers were actually trying to catch up. One in particular told us that they wanted to garner a 4-star rating by using amenity Wi-Fi, making it open. Another one had started out with passwords in terms of passing it out on little written slips and had figured out pretty quickly that was a hassle for them as well as being a hassle for consumers, so in fact had moved to a more open and easy system. That's also something that we're able to curate and offer in an even more simple way today to our customers. So what we found with Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi as it's called in Paris, is something that was very diverse and structured from the mobile operator perspective, but also very open, free and easy from a lot of the shopping centers, leading the way towards an always best connected experience. So again, this is David Nowicki. I'm here in Paris, France. This has been another curated spot check, and I'll see you in the next city.